Hello, welcome to another CTF, aka Capture the Flag. So, in this CTF, we're going to be going through the machine called MoneyBox. It's found in the Offensive Security Proving Grounds. And you can go to that link, of course, check out the Proving Grounds. You should be able to find your way around to get to this point. Or, in fact, when you're beginning this, you just need to get to OffSec and then open an account there. And then once you're there, you can click on labs and then play once you've signed in. So the beginning part is, of course, to download the VPN file. Once you've downloaded that file, which I've already took the liberty of doing, so let's not bother much on that one. In fact, let me cancel out that dialog. I've already done that part. So now what we're going to do, if I run ls, you can see the universal.ovpn file. Note that I'm actually in downloads already. Okay, so I'm now going to connect VPN, and then I'm going to do this against universal.ovpn, and then we're waiting for the initialization sequence to complete, like so. And once that's done, then we can boot our friend up like that. Okay, let me do this. Alright, so okay, the VPN is fine. Let me set that aside. Okay, now we've got an IP address. It has booted up. So let me propose I'll copy this. Okay, so here. So if we follow the cyber kill chain, of course, the first step should be to perform an nmap scan in it. So I'm going to propose I run my nmap scan. So I'm going to run my nmap. And then I'm going to propose I do a service version scan. Let's just do that for now for the sake of reconnaissance, yeah. And then we'll have that one there. I type in my root password like so, and then we wait for us to get a response. So the main objective right now at this point is to just find versions or services that are running that we can actually work with. Of course, at the end of the day, among the other services, we'll actually find something like SSH running. And then our main objective is to get shell access, to get that SSH access to open. Okay. However, to get that SSH access to actually open, we have to find a way to break into one of their users. Yeah. All right. So now that we have it like this, I notice that we have an FTP running. So let's see what is in there. Now, by default and convention, I believe Para doesn't come with FTP, so I might have to say sudo apt install FTP. Okay, and then typing in the user or the root password. Of course, when you're working with other Linux distributions such as Kali Linux and so on, it will be a-okay by default. Okay, but anyways, this is because Parrot has the FTP service already running just by you going to connect server and pasting that there, and then we go like so. Okay, and then it will open the FTP host for you. Okay, it seems like we have like a picture of some sort here. So let me just copy this and save it somewhere. Let me save it in downloads. Okay, we'll just save that file there. Okay, we're good. Okay, see what we have here. Okay, this is all we have. I don't think this is anything near useful. Although there could be steganography, which means somewhere concealed within this picture there can be another picture. Okay, so the idea of this now is to use a special tool called stag detect, which is there to identify or detect steganography. Yeah, to detect steganographic content. And for those who are unsure of what steganography is basically where we able to conceal either secret messages or something within those within a picture. Okay. In fact, I shouldn't be playing around with this terminal. Okay, there's the terminal I was playing around with. Yeah, so we should be able to work around with a tool called stag detect. Okay, so of course if you don't have it by default, you can do do a simple sudo apt install stack detect. From Kali Linux, you should have no problem doing this. Of course, with me on the other hand, I don't have a way around that. But anyways, in order to open that file, let me actually go to downloads so I play around there. Let me go around to downloads. Okay, there's the file. If I run file and say try to find .jpg, it's a standard picture, isn't it? But there's something rather interesting about this picture when we look at it. Yeah, there's something rather interesting about it. The size of it, 1.1 megabytes. A JPG that size is just too big in terms of size. So that's clearly evidence that we have steganography. But in order to extract the steganography there, we need to use a tool called staghide. However, staghide now we'll need a password to do that, and we have to find that password. But there was something interesting during my nmap scan that we actually saw. If we redo the nmap scan like we did before, we notice that we have another service running. I believe that was HTTP service that was running or something like that. So I propose that we'll actually also look at that HTTP service and see if we have something useful within that service. Yeah. Okay, so we do have an HTTP service running. So I'm gonna propose that we oops, I need just the IP address. Yeah. Okay, so here, like that. Okay, let's see if there's anything interesting in here. Okay, let me. Okay, no, we're fine. Okay, there's nothing interesting here, rather. Nothing interesting. Okay, let me propose I run a directory bust against HTTP. Or let me do this instead. Let me run a directory bust. What I'm basically doing now is doing a brute force. So I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, so what's happening now, for those who are unsure of what I'm doing, is derb, or the directory buster, similar to go buster and all the other tools. What it's doing is going to take this link and then it's going to try different permutations after this to find a directory. Okay, a directory being like a folder that has something interesting. Okay, so as you can see now, it is testing all these kinds, and then, well, basically now we have to wait, and it may take us quite a while. So I'm going to propose that okay, let me not pause the video, let me wait for this. Okay, so my objective now is to try and find the password to unlock the steganography inside this picture, because honestly there's nothing helpful here. Hack the planet, nerd, and a cat there or something. I don't think there's anything near useful for that. So we're gonna have to wait for us to find any useful link whatsoever. Okay. Oh no, my internet is acting up. Oh goodness. One. Stuck on access. Oh, for crying out loud. Let's see if the offensive security machine is... I think we're still fine. Okay, my internet has gone down worse. Could be better. No root to host. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, yeah, it's still testing, but it's rather slow now. Admin. Okay, it's trying to find admin pages now. But now the problem... Okay. It's very slow. Okay. keep waiting for this. Okay, I still have acting out net connection there, but okay, it seems to be still going. We're good. Okay, it's now on the bees. Well, this will take me a while. Okay. Patience is a virtue. Normally in pen test, this is the part where I just fall asleep and see it when I wake up in the morning. Okay, finally we found something useful. Okay, blogs. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna propose. So we had nothing useful here. I'm gonna propose we go to blogs, yeah, and see if there's anything here useful. Okay. I'm Tom, hacker. I already hacked this box and informed, but they didn't do any security configuration. If you want hint for next step. Okay, let's see if this page has anything. Okay, this is just a source code. Okay, there we go. The hint is the okay. The hint is the another secret directory is. So that's the okay. This is another secret directory. So this is most likely something that the directory buster will not find. So might as well just stop the directory buster. So go there. You can do that and see. Okay, there's nothing in this page. Okay. Alright, let's also see the code of that. Secret key is oh perfect. I wanna guess this should be the key to the picture. Let's try that out. Okay, let's clear this out. Okay, we have that. Okay, so I'm gonna propose I use stag hide now, yeah. Okay, actually do I have stag hide? For those who don't have stag hide, sudo apt install stag hide should help you do the business, yeah. Now I already have it. So if I run stag hide like this, okay, let's see the usages. So what I want to do is extract, isn't it? Yeah, I want to extract data. So I propose it's extract. Okay, let's look at these other stuff, the embedding options. I want SF, isn't it? I want to write the results. Yeah, there we go. I want to write the results, yeah. And then I want to specify my stego file. So SF is it, yeah. So SF for the stego file. And my stego file is try to find .jpg, which was the picture that we had there in it. Then my passphrase, I just copied it from the page before. So there. Okay, wrote extracted data to data.txt. Okay, let's clear this out and see. Okay, there's data.txt. What's inside it? .txt. Hello, Renu. I tell you something important. your password is too weak. So change your password. Don't underestimate it. Okay. So clearly this should give it this gives us the username. Yeah. Okay, I think I should Medusa this. Okay, so there's the usage for Medusa. So what I wanna do is, oh, in fact, I think I have Hydra. I can use Hydra, the THC Hydra. Alternatively, this is something that we can use instead of Medusa. So between Hydra and Medusa, we can use either one of them. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with Medusa. Let me try out Medusa. Okay, so Medusa. Okay, let's take a look at the usages. Yeah. So tag H and then text. Okay, let's specify a username. So tag U. So this time we know that the username is renew. Okay, that's some useful stuff. Okay. I'm gonna propose we brute forcing SSH. We found that there's SSH through the Nmap scan, so that's probably something useful. So we wanna brute force SSH kind. I'm gonna propose we can do the P switch and do a password attack. I mean, it's a simple password, so I'm guessing the password should be something that can be found in a word list. Yeah. Okay, so let me see the word list that I have. Let's see the word list. Okay, which word list would work for me? Metasploit or Nmap or Fuzz? I think John should be the one. Yeah, John should work. So user share. Yeah, John or the Nmap one should work. Okay. Yeah, the Nmap one should work. Okay, so that's user share Nmap NSE data. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, I'll go there. So user. Yeah. Normally you should be able to find word list here. There's the word list directory. Yeah, here you should have most of the word list there. The Nmap one is this one. Let's see what kind of words we have here. Okay, we have this kind. Okay, these are the types of passwords it will try out. Somewhere in here should be the real deal. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with this one. Yeah. Nmap user share word lists nmap.lst. Okay, fine. I'm gonna try that one. I'm gonna try the Nmap one. Yeah, which is this one. Okay, so let me just copy this out. Copy. And where was I doing this? Okay, yes. I'm gonna use the P switch to that. And what other switches do I need to give here? Okay, and my target host should be, well, the IP address of the machine in it. So I'm gonna need this now. Okay. Although I think I might need to say this is SSH. I don't know. I didn't specify a module. Yeah. I didn't specify a module. Okay. Most of the time, if you don't know the usage behind these tools, Medusa, SSH. Yeah, you can always find a guide with the usages. Yeah. I can either read this or I can go for Geek for Geeks. And check the Geek for Geeks one. Okay, it has the whole usage for Medusa. Can do the H or sudo SSH. Okay, here's an example that's given there. Okay, yeah, the module is actually SSH, so we're actually supposed to set up the module there. Okay, where's my Medusa? Okay, there it is. It's not like this. Okay, so we don't need this. The host is as is, and then we have to specify the module to be SSH, I believe. Yeah, I think then we have to wait now. And the waiting part is just excruciating. Ah, okay. Okay, for 5,000 keys, this will take a while. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously doesn't seem to be working. Okay. 5 doesn't work. This part takes a while. Okay, let me just propose I do this. Let me go ahead and just hit the pause button, and then let me proceed when this attack has completed, and then we take it from the next step. So at this point, I'm just gonna pause the video, and then I'll proceed it once completed. All right, I'm back. I've made a few features, and let's. Oh, brute force takes a while, honestly. Brute force takes a very, very incredibly long time, and we're still here trying out passwords like I love you and princess and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, finally success. We found a password. 987654321. After a long time. For those who are using Hydra, the usage is almost the same. I'm going to make sure I just add it to the description. Okay, so we found the password 987654321, and remember we're doing an SSH, so I can connect via SSH to the host. Let me just copy that there. Okay, so it's renew at this. Okay, this is just the basic conventions of SSH. Okay. Oops. I'm not sure if the machine is malfunctioning or my internet is as slow as hell. Let me clear this out. Okay, we know the password is 987654321. Okay, there we want Renu's password. Okay, that's 987654321. Okay, there was no zero, was there? Okay, let's see if it lets us in. This should be loading up. Okay, that's fine. Okay, success, please. This should be a win for us. Come on. Okay, beautiful. We're in. All right, there we go. The program, blah 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 blah. Renew. Okay. Who am I? Renew. Okay, where am I? Okay, I'm in the home of Renew. Okay, is there anything here? Local. Okay, let's get that. Local.txt. Okay, I think that's one of the flags, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. This was MoneyBox. This one, yeah. I think we're not done. We're gonna need the root flag here. We just found the user flag. Okay. Now we're gonna have to perform like privilege escalation to become root. Okay, let's see. Sudo well. What can we manipulate here? Let's see if there's any password for renew. Oh no. Oh, password for renew is 987654321. Okay. Renew may not run sudo on MoneyBox. Okay, what has Renu been doing the whole time? And the history. Okay. Clear LA, home, exit, clear. Okay, now this is interesting. Lily. So there's a user called Lily who actually logged in via SSH at some point. ID RSA and in the folder SSH. Okay, let me go there. CD into .ssh. I'm just gonna pretty much copy that. And then SSHI ID RSA. Okay, that seems like a login using an SSH private. Ah, beautiful. So I'm gonna SSH and I'm gonna include the ID RSA private key. And I'm gonna log in as Lily. Okay, no, it's 1L. Lily at, and then I'm gonna propose I'll paste in the up here. Yes, please. Okay, I'm in as Lily now. If I search who am I, I'm Lily. Okay. Can Lily do sudo stuff? Sudo L for that. Okay, sudo can actually, I mean Lily can run Perl in this case as root. Okay, so let's manipulate this, yeah. Perl is a language interpreter, isn't it? Yeah, it's a language interpreter. Okay, let's see what can Perl do. Because if I run sudo Perl, this just leaves me halfway, so that doesn't help. But I realized that I can run a one-line program. So I'm guessing, what if the program that I'm actually running is bash, so that I can actually open a bash prompt? I'm guessing, okay, let's sudo throw this, and let's use the E. And then the one-liner that I would like to do now, I'm gonna propose it's execute, and I'll execute bin bash. Okay, and this should happen while I'm rooting it. Hope. Oh sweet. I'm root. Okay, cool. Who am I? I'm root. Okay, where am I? Obviously there's nothing here, isn't it? So I need to go to the home of root, because that's where the root flags are. Okay, what do we have? Okay, proof. Oh, we good. We are good. Proof.txt. Okay, I believe that should be the flag. Yeah, that should be the flag that we're looking for. Let's save that, and let's see if we have found the correct flag. Oh, that was success. Beautiful. Okay, although the progress is like halfway through, reason it's like that is because I did not submit the other flag, yeah. Okay, Lily is fine. Okay, now I'm back to Renew. Yeah, CD back. I did not submit that flag. Okay, cat local.txt. I think we're good. We got the root flag, and now I just didn't submit the user flag. So we get that user flag and submit that flag too. I need this. I'll submit that flag too. And I believe success is on the table, baby. Oh yeah. And that is how we do the MoneyBox machine. Woo! Okay. Alright, yeah. Yeah, you guys go ahead and give that one a try. I have to say, that one gave me a run for my money, honestly. You guys give it a try, and then I'll see you guys in the next CTF. Bye bye.